Our planet is in danger. Temperatures are rising, ice caps are melting, and natural disasters are becoming more frequent. This is climate change, and it's happening now. The Earth's climate has always changed, but never this quickly. The current warming trend is extremely unusual because it is primarily the result of human activities. The main cause is our reliance on fossil fuels, coal, oil, and gas. Burning these fuels releases greenhouse gases, like carbon dioxide, into the atmosphere. These gases trap heat from the sun, causing the planet to warm. The consequences of inaction are severe. We risk more extreme weather events, rising sea levels, and disruptions to ecosystems and food production. Our future, and the future of all life on Earth, depends on our actions today. The evidence is overwhelming. Human activities are changing our climate. Since the Industrial Revolution, our reliance on fossil fuels has skyrocketed. We burn them for energy, transportation, and industry, releasing enormous amounts of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. These gases act like a blanket around the Earth, trapping heat and causing the planet to warm at an alarming rate. Deforestation is another major contributor to climate change. Trees play a vital role in regulating the climate by absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. When forests are cut down or burned, that stored carbon is released back into the atmosphere, further exacerbating the greenhouse effect. Our agricultural practices also play a role. From livestock production to the use of fertilizers, agriculture contributes to greenhouse gas emissions, particularly methane and nitrous oxide. The impacts of our actions are already being felt around the world. Glaciers are melting at unprecedented rates, contributing to rising sea levels. Extreme weather events, such as hurricanes, droughts, and wildfires, are becoming more frequent and intense, costing lives and causing widespread damage. Our planet is sending us a clear message. The climate is changing, and the consequences are dire. From the melting glaciers of Greenland to the bleached coral reefs of the Great Barrier Reef, the evidence of a warming world is undeniable. Sea levels are rising at an accelerating rate, threatening coastal communities and infrastructure. Extreme weather events, once rare occurrences, are becoming the new normal. Hurricanes are becoming more powerful, fueled by warmer ocean temperatures. Droughts are becoming more severe and prolonged, leading to water shortages and crop failures. Wildfires are raging out of control, consuming vast areas of forest and releasing enormous amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. These changes are not isolated incidents, they are interconnected symptoms of a planet in distress. The challenges posed by climate change can feel overwhelming, but there is still time to act. We need to transition away from fossil fuels and embrace renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and geothermal. Governments must implement policies that promote sustainability, invest in clean technologies, and hold polluters accountable. But it's not just up to governments and corporations to solve this crisis. Each of us has a role to play. We can reduce our carbon footprint by making conscious choices in our daily lives. Walking, cycling, or using public transportation instead of driving cars, reducing our energy consumption at home, and adopting a more sustainable diet are small but impactful steps we can all take. Beyond individual actions, we must use our voices to demand change. By raising awareness about climate change, engaging in political advocacy, and supporting organizations working on climate solutions, we can amplify our impact. The fight against climate change is a collective effort that requires the participation of every individual, community, and nation. The future of our planet depends on the choices we make today. Let's act with urgency, determination, and hope to create a sustainable future for generations to come.